Hey everyone, today we'll create this wishlist screen UI using Canva and Jetpack Compose. Open Canva. Create custom size 800 x 1000. Search leather bag in Elements. Add chosen image. Adjust alignment. Now we will generate more photos in the same style as this. Export as PNG. Open Android Studio, create Jetpack Compose project. Initialize background color. Initialize wishlist item. Add product data model. Add a tick field for the wish list title. Add a tick field for the item quantity. Use lazy vertical grid. Implemented vertical arrangement for column layout. Implemented horizontal arrangement for row layout. Create wishlist card composable. Add a card with shape, color, and elevation. Use a column and box to structure the layout and display the image. Add a surface to style and highlight content. Create an icon button with an icon for user interaction. Add the name and price text inside the column. Add styling and spacing. Create an Add to Cart button using the button composable. Preview the wishlist card. Quick tip. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial.